Overnight, the Justice Department made the most substantial dump of documents in the Epstein files. As Rena Roy reports, there's at least one email mentioning President Trump, but the DOJ is downplaying some claims in the files, calling them false and unfounded.
The Department of Justice on the defense after releasing more of the Jeffrey Epstein files early Tuesday morning. DOJ officials saying in a statement that some of the latest documents in this batch contain untrue and sensationalist claims made against President Trump that were submitted to the FBI right before the 2020 election. The DOJ did not specify which documents it's referring to.
Why pre-deny on behalf of a person who is not formally speaking your client? Why comment on the truth or untruth of specific allegations without identifying which allegations, unless you're really representing the man and not the country? The job of the Department of Justice is to represent the United States of America in court and in legal matters. It is not to represent the personal interests of the president.
At least one email referenced Donald Trump sent from a federal prosecutor to unknown recipients, flagging that flight records from the 90s reflect that Donald Trump traveled on Jeffrey Epstein's private jet many more times than previously has been reported or that we were aware, including during the period we would expect to charge in a Maxwell case. Those documents later became public during Maxwell's 2021 trial. Trump and Epstein had a decades-long friendship, but Trump says they had a falling out in the early 2000s after he says Epstein stole Mar-a-Lago employees. This email also released that was sent the day after Jeffrey Epstein was arrested in 2019 on charges of sex trafficking minors. An unidentified person at the New York FBI field office already in pursuit of potential collaborators writing, "When you get a chance, can you give me an update on the status of the 10 co-conspirators?" In a July memo, the DOJ stated flatly there was not enough evidence to warrant prosecuting any uncharged third parties. Ghislaine Maxwell is the only person to ever be charged as an Epstein co-conspirator. She's serving a 20-year prison sentence after being convicted of sex trafficking minors. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.